Okay, for our nature study, question number 1. Choose from among our plants in the garden. We have onion, lemongrass or tanglad. We have ginger. We have kangkong. All those you planted, right? From among those plants, choose one where you will tell its growth. Starting from our kitchen up to its current stage now. Remember, all those came from our kitchen, right? Okay. So, tell us about their growth, about the plant that you will choose. So, you can choose kangkong, ginger, or whatever. So, you tell us how did they grow.
Yung first, the ginger.
Okay, so you will choose ginger.
Ginger.
Okay.
First, parang it's just like yung ginger talaga until may sprout. And then, linagay ko siya sa store. I waited and waited. Nothing happened. Naunahan pa siya ng mga bago. Kahit luma na siya. Until, biglang nag-sprout na siya ngayon. That's what I observed. It was very slow. At until, magbo-boost yung growth niya. Like me. Dati parang I waited and waited until nag-boost na yung growth ko. Yun.
Okay.